Sorry about that, guys. It just told me my time limit was up. So, as I was saying, this is our 5088 double back wheels and all that goody crap. And it was made when KSH and International were working together and blah blah blah. If you're just watching this now, please go check out part 1. I went over everything else. I'm pretty much over, kinda, but okay, let's get down to business. So this is all the controls and all that levers, and I'd say this thing has about 123 horsepower. I'd give it about 123 horsepower. And it can go up to about 24 miles an hour. And some nice tractors. Got a toolbox on the side I forgot to show you. Okay. Now, my favorite tractor out of them all. Okay, there we go. And here it is. Our one and only 856. Ugh, come on. Okay, I up now. On your darn shoe. There's your hitch for these 5088. This is my favorite tractor. It can have a loader. We usually take it off. Don't usually have the loader. Have their tail benders and all that. You can call it. This has about 56 horsepower. Our fastest tractor go up to about 42 miles an hour. And there's the levers that can lift up this. Oh. Okay, I'm not going to mess with it. I don't know too much about it. It's not meant to have dual wheels. We just put them on because it's planting season. So, that's it. So that's our 856. And this is an international, New Holland, Oliver International. That's a nice tractor. And now it's time to get to the